Sailboat quilt patterns bring a touch of nautical charm to any project, connecting quilters to a rich tradition while offering endless creative possibilities. Also known as ship at sea or sailing ships patterns, typically feature simple shapes that are easy to piece together. Their versatility allows for a range of styles, from bold and modern to classic and vintage. These quilts are perfect for children's rooms, beach houses, or anyone who loves the sea. Let's explore some fantastic free sailboat quilt patterns that you can try today. First up is Ships Ahoy by Rhoda Nelson. This charming pattern combines piece sailboats with appliqued stars, creating a playful scene perfect for a child's room. Measuring 44.5 by 56.5 inches, it's ideal for a crib or toddler bed. Next, we have the Sailboat Quilt from Tilda's World. This design uses a single boat block in 6 different colorways, resulting in a lively and dynamic quilt. At 58 by 68 inches, it's great for snuggling on the sofa or adding a pop of color to a bed. For those who love modern designs, the strip-pieced sailboat by Susan of Quilt Fabrication is a must-try. This striking block uses strip piecing to create a sense of movement and depth. Ahoy Sailor by Susie Williams is a delightful pattern that captures the spirit of adventure on the high seas. This 60 by 60 inch quilt features an array of sailboats set against nautical motifs like anchors and seagulls. Finally, don't miss the charming Sailboat Quilt block by Caroline Fairbanks Critchfield. This versatile pattern offers instructions for both 12-inch and 24-inch blocks, allowing you to incorporate these adorable sailboats into various projects, from baby quilts to table runners. Sailboat quilt patterns offer a perfect blend of simplicity and charm, allowing quilters to create beautiful, nautical-themed projects. So why not set sail on your next quilting adventure with one of these delightful sailboat designs? Your creativity is sure to make waves. For more inspiring sailboat quilt patterns, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and explore their curated collection.